Hello everyone, my name is Dr. N. Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Technology. So in this Python lecture series, next we are going to see one DT based video. So that is how to achieve an image classification using the deep learning concept. The students will explain this DT based concept one by one.
Good afternoon to everyone. So in this lecture series, now we are going to see one DT based video. So the topic is deep learning using image classification. So as we all know that, so if we want to learn anything regarding generative AI, first we have to understand some basic requirements. For an example, we must understand what is meant by machine learning. We must understand what is meant by deep learning. So once we understand these basic concepts well, then we can easily understand the Gen AI in detail. So now the students of third year CSE B section will explain this DT based video one by one.
Good morning everyone, I am Madhumina. Today I will start with the emphasis phase of our project on image classification. In many fields such as healthcare, education, agriculture and security, images are classified manually by humans. This process requires a lot of time and effort. For example, a doctor may need to examine hundreds of medical images, or a student may need to sort thousands of images for a project. Doing this manually is not only tiring but also prone to mistakes. Humans can easily get distracted, feel tired or interpret images differently. Two people may classify the same image in different ways. This leads to inconsistency and inaccuracy. As the number of images increases, the problem becomes even worse. Clearly need a faster and more accurate solution. They want a system that can automatically understand images, reduce human workload and give reliable results. By understanding their difficulties, emotions and needs, we realize that automation is not a luxury but a necessity. This understanding from the base for our solution.
We clearly identify the core problem. The main issue is not just classification but the inefficiency and inaccuracy of manual image classification, especially when handling large data. Image classification is time consuming, inconsistent and error prone. There is a need for an automated system that can efficiently extract features from images and classify them accurately. This problem definition helps us focus on what exactly needs to be solved. Our goal is not only speed but also accuracy and reliability. The system should work with minimum human intervention and be scalable for large data sets. In this stage, we think about different possible solutions. One of the best effective approach is using deep learning, especially convolutional neural network, also known as CNN. CNN automatically detects the features such as edges, shape, texture and pattern. We are also using transfer learning, where pre-trained models like VGG, ResNet and MobileNet are used. Other ideas include data augmentation to increase the data set size and improve model performance. Based deep learning solution is the best and most practical idea.
In this phase, we convert our idea into working idea. We built a base image classification system using deep learning tools. We use tools like Python, TensorFlow and OpenCV to implement the prototype. This step helps us to visualize the solution and identify any technical or performance issues early.
Finally, I will talk about the testing phase. In this phase, we evaluate the prototype to check its effectiveness. The model is tested using separate training and testing datasets. We measure performance using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and loss. We also compare the results with manual image classification. The deep learning model performs faster and provides more consistent and accurate results. Any errors or misclassifications and analyzed and improvements are made by tuning model parameters or increasing training data. Through testing, we confirm that the proposed system significantly reduces human effort and improves classification accuracy. Thank you.
Once again, good afternoon. So now, so far, the students of third year CSEP have explained the concept of image classification using deep learning. I hope everyone have understand. If you have any doubt, comments on the comment section. Thank you.